Hey everybody, at the time of filming this it's 11:18 on Sunday, so I was able to get it done in the 24-hour period. I didn't really have too much problems. The biggest problem I had and was the most disappointing is the windshield. There was no way of gluing that on because it was kind of warped, but I ended up using super glue. I probably can fix that later on, but as of now, this is how it's sitting. I used that Tamiya Lacquer. This is the second car, first finished car that I actually used it on, and I'm surprised at how well it shines up. You don't really need a clear on it, so as long as those decals stay on it, I'm not gonna have to clear it. It is pretty darn shiny. It laid down smooth. I did buff a little bit, that I had some other stuff on and that, but really pleased with the way that turned out. If I stop that, I'll give you a look on above. I did do some panel lines. I usually don't do it, but they had so many vents on this that actually did some panel lines. The dashboard is relatively basic, but it is a race car. I had no gauge decals to put in there. But I went with the red seats and a white roll bar. I remember on the box art this was all black. There was nothing standing out, so I didn't like that. I did wire the engine on this. Was able to get those spark plugs in between all that. It is kind of a crazy setup with how the fender flares or the inner fenders match up and everything. Got kind of lucky on that. It could have went really bad. The bottom I did some basic weathering, but I did do a lot of painting of the different things on there, so that way it wasn't just one color. I actually went out and got some gray, silver, some chrome, then some gloss blacks, some flat blacks, messed with those a little bit. They give it more than just a flat black bottom. Give it some red shocks and a red sway bar. The suspension, I wanted the suspension to look new. Being a race car, you are going to keep on updating that. But other than that, I hope you guys really like it. I'm going to get this video up, and then I'm relaxing for the rest of the day. So, until next time, I hope you guys have a great one, and hopefully you enjoyed this build. Let me know what you think. Have a great one. Bye.